Elemaster for health and care. Elemaster has been dealing with health sector since 1978. The unique dedicated services included the supply of both electronic boards and electromedical devices to fully integrated medical platforms. Elemaster is one of the major EMS partners for the health and care industry in Europe. Innovation and research are key values for the design and production of the most cost-effective and reliable high-tech medical devices. Value proposals start from organization fully compliant with ISO 13485-2016, both for design, certification and manufacturing, FDA EUA regulations and standards, process fully compliant with IPC and customer-specific requirements. Phase 1, briefing, brainstorming, design, certification. Phase 2, PCBA assembly. Phase 3, integration and testing. Integrated and tested complete products delivery directly to end user. The main applications are diagnostic systems and devices, therapeutic systems and devices, transcutaneous life monitors and telemedicine devices, biotech systems and devices, lab-on-chip devices, disposable equipment. Last but not least, Elemaster has designed and manufactured the MVM lung ventilators in the international mobilization to combat the COVID-19 pandemic. The International Design Centers of Elemaster Group support startups in the medical device sector, acting as a booster of the industrialization and certification phases. Elemaster for health and care.